Welcome to the next-gen Auto Hub. In 1968, Toyota introduced a vehicle that would forever change the landscape of light trucks around the world, the Toyota Hilux. Designed as a compact pickup, the Hilux quickly established itself as a symbol of reliability, toughness, and versatility. Over the decades, it earned legendary status, but its story began with the very first generation launched in March 1968. Built in collaboration with Hino Motors, the Hilux was Toyota's answer to the growing global demand for practical, durable small trucks that could serve both commercial and personal needs. The first-generation Hilux, internally coded as the N10 series, was modest in size but forward-thinking in design. Measuring just 4.2 meters in length with a wheelbase of 2,285 millimeters, it was compact enough for urban streets but offered a practical cargo bed for hauling goods. Its exterior styling was simple and functional, featuring straight body lines, round headlights, and a clean front grille. Though not flashy, the Hilux's appearance reflected its purpose: to be dependable and rugged, a workhorse for daily use. Under the hood, the 1968 Hilux came with a 1.5-liter inline four-cylinder engine producing 77 horsepower. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it delivered adequate power for its size and weight. This setup was rear-wheel drive, with later updates offering a slightly larger 1.6-liter engine for improved performance. While the numbers weren't groundbreaking, the Hilux was praised for its smooth gearbox, reliability, and efficient fuel consumption, making it practical for businesses and individuals alike. The suspension setup further enhanced its utility. Up front, it featured an independent torsion bar suspension, while the rear used sturdy leaf springs to handle heavy loads. This combination gave the Hilux a balance between ride comfort and rugged durability. Its payload capacity, around 1,000 kilograms depending on configuration, made it competitive in the small truck market. Inside, the Hilux focused on practicality but didn't ignore comfort. It offered a simple two-passenger cabin with straightforward controls and a functional dashboard. Vinyl seating, durable flooring, and large windows contributed to a utilitarian yet user-friendly environment. For a work truck of its era, the Hilux was surprisingly comfortable, which broadened its appeal beyond just commercial buyers. Another major factor in its success was Toyota's reputation for quality and reliability. Buyers quickly discovered that the Hilux could endure punishing conditions, from rough rural roads to long-distance hauls, with minimal maintenance. This reputation would grow stronger with each subsequent generation, but it began here, with the 1968 model proving that a compact pickup could be both tough and versatile. Globally, the Hilux became an important export vehicle for Toyota. Initially launched in Japan, it was soon shipped to markets in Asia, Europe, and eventually North America, where it appealed to buyers who wanted something smaller and more fuel-efficient than traditional American pickups. Its compact size, affordability, and dependability made it a strong competitor against rivals like the Datsun 520. The 1968 Hilux also marked the start of a legacy. It wasn't just a truck, it was the foundation of Toyota's long-standing dominance in the pickup segment. Over time, the Hilux name would become synonymous with toughness, famously earning a reputation for being indestructible. But that reputation was rooted in the qualities of the first model: simple engineering, reliable performance, and the ability to adapt to different markets and customer needs. In conclusion, the Toyota Hilux 1968 may have started as a modest compact pickup, but it set the stage for one of the most iconic trucks in automotive history. With its durable build, reliable engine, practical design, and global reach, it laid the foundation for a nameplate that continues to be celebrated more than 5 decades later. The first Hilux proved that a truck could be more than just a work tool, it could be a trusted companion built to last. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for the next update.